Go to the dist folder and open the index file. This will open the Extractor tool. For this demo, we use a testnet. Select mnemonic. Type your seed phrase. If you have a passphrase, enter it in the field mnemonic password. In this example, I will leave it blank. The next step is a derivation path. Open the contract and go to Developer Tools. Open the Network tab, and under the response, you should be able to locate the derivation scheme. Copy and paste the derivation path. The private key will appear here. Let's continue with the escrow data. Select Legacy. Go back to the Contract tab and locate the escrow address. Copy and paste. You should see the total unspent amount. Go back to Developer Tools and find Witness Script Hex. Copy and paste it in the required field. The sign correct should appear. Now we can go ahead and create a transaction skeleton. For this, you need to use your Bitcoin address as an output address 1. Value 1 is the amount in Satoshis that you should receive to your address. Output address 2 is going to be the address of the counterparty. Value 2 is the amount in Satoshis that your counterparty is going to receive. Here we can see the breakdown of the transaction, including the network fee. Lastly, you need to share the partially signed transaction with your counterparty.